Okay guys, Real Life Guyana here. Welcome back to our channel. We are here today to introduce to you the newest one-stop shop for power tools. Tools Unlimited Guyana at 81 New Road. Right across from Mohan's Tire Shop. Mohan's Tire Shop is over there. So that is Brito Hoop. Come down, Mohan's Tire Shop. Arya Samaj Church is there. And right across the street here is Tools Unlimited Guyana. For all your power brand name tools. So let's take a look inside and see what we have here. Here we have work boots. We have gloves. All work related items are here. You have bags, you have table saws, and all the big brand names that you're accustomed to for performance. All the big brand names are here, guys. Ryobi, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Hilti, Stanley. Let's take a look. There's lots of items in here. From levels to TV mounts. There are jigsaws, skill. You have a brushless saw there. A tool. And over here we have all your work related items here. Paint, tape, and you have your blades for your saws right here too. So that's what I said, one-stop shop. You get everything that you need for your job to be completed right here. All your sand discs and everything here. Pipe fittings. More tools, drill bits, sockets, wrenches, all your wrenches and pliers and adjustable wrenches, screwdrivers. So yes guys, so Tools Unlimited here is fully stocked with everything that you'll need for your job. So check them out at 81 New Road, West Coast, Demerara. So that's it. So let me give you the directions again. So we are newly opened here. So right across from Mohan Tire Shop, you can see Mohan Tire Shop across there. And right across the road, we are right here. The green building with a green roof. That's a Wesleyan Church there. Right next door is a Wesleyan Church also. And across the road there, as I said, Mohan. So we're here. Check us out guys, we have all that you need in tools.